There were battles and skirmishes between India and China in the Ladakh region, but there were no any lives lost in the past 40 years. For the first time, India lost 20 lives in the border. But the India and China foreign ministers promised to release the tension in the borders. Many regions in India breaking the China products and they are making the anti-China slogans. They broke the Chinese products and fired it. For months this problem is going. So India sends troops to 100 region already in the Ladakh region. US-China relations are also going colder according to the America statement. Also, Trump tweeted that he is willing to mediate the border problem between India and China. The world is watching nervously India-China problem. Germany also tried to de-escalate the problem. What happened in the Ladakh region border? Why China troop attacked Indian troop? China stated that Indian troop crossed the border so that they made an open fire instantly. This problem was started 45 years ago, but this problem doesn't cost any lives of the soldier. For the first time, Indian troop lost 20 lives because of this problem. China did not confirm any casualties but accused India in turn of crossing the border onto the Chinese side. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Zhao Lijian said India had crossed the border twice so that provoking and attacking Chinese personnel, resulting in serious physical confrontation between border forces on the two sides. Both sides insist no bullet has been fired in 4 decades, and the Indian Army said that no shots were fired in the latest skirmish. How a clash that did not involve an exchange of fire could prove so lethal is unclear. There are reports that it was fought with rocks and clubs. Whatever the result is, this latest incident is likely to trigger a fresh wave of anti-China sentiments in India.